Hi, my name's Rick Smith, and I'm a clinician with AiRCare. And today we're going to talk about a grounding technique, and this one is going to be identifying our breaths and counting them. You can use this if you're angry, if you're stressed, feeling depressed, or you're just having racing thoughts. Now, if you do have a clinical emergency, you'd want to call 911, but this is for when you're starting to feel yourself getting anxious or you're not able to stop your thoughts. And all we're simply going to do is we're going to breathe in and we're going to breathe out. And when we breathe in, we're going to count odd numbers, so 1, 3, 5, and 7. And when we breathe out, we're going to count 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. You can do this anywhere. You can count out loud. You can count to yourself. You can do it with your eyes open or your eyes closed. Today I'm going to do it with my eyes open and I'm going to count out loud. A good thing to do before you start is kind of gauge it. So if you're anxious on a scale of 1 to 10, how anxious are you? And we're looking for it to just move a couple points. If you're at an 8, 9, or 10, this is probably not going to work. But if you're like a 5, 6, 7, this probably will work. And if you need to do it a second time, that's fine. So here we are. We're going to start and simply just counting in. So I'm going to start my first inhale now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're going to do 2 more sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And at this point, you would just gauge yourself again on that scale of 1 to 10. One of the things you might have noticed is that my counting became softer and slower as I was going forward. A few things are happening when you do this. One is that while you're doing this, you're slowing down your breath, which slows down your heart, which causes your pulse and anxiety and everything else to kind of cool down. Plus, because you're paying attention to the direction of the breath and you're counting it, you're causing your frontal cortex to start thinking. And so instead of where all your thoughts, emotions, and everything kind of runs wild in the back of your brain, the front of your brain takes over and you're able to calm. So you're getting more oxygen, your heart rate's going down, and you're starting to think, and that's when the grounding happens. So this is a technique today. I hope it works for you. You can practice it as often as you like, and thanks for your time.